Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply effects but only to like half of the video. So I'm just going to select the video, copy and paste that, and then you are going to select the mask button and select split and split it halfway. I'm actually going to like split it kind of like this way because there's like his back kind of in the way, so I'm just going to split it like this way, and you can feather it out if you'd like to, just like by 1%. Then I'm going to just select adjustments, and I'm going to adjust the saturation on the like half of the video, and also the brightness and the contrast a little bit on it. Then I'm going to go to effects, and I'm going to add in the rain effect, and here you can also adjust the speed, and you can also add in like more like this lightning one if you'd like to, and you can also adjust the atmosphere as well. Then to just add it to the half, select these three, right click, and then select create compound clip. And if you'd like to add in effects to the one on the right, you could also do that, but make sure that it's like under like the other video so it doesn't affect the one on the left side. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!